Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPRO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes a very logical question quite straightforward and easy to answer. And that question revolves around the fact that, yeah, today the price made a very, very nice bounce. And when you stop and think about where it was on Thursday and then where it closed today on Friday, definitely a very nice move. But that does bring about the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that level very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this area right down here at $3.45. Why is $3.45 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about if the price were to come down to $3.45 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 345. What about areas of resistance going into next week? Initial level is just simply where the overall bounce finally stopped today, and it stopped actually several times up there right around $3.82. So 382 will be the next key level to watch going forward. In the event the price can push up through 382, next key level of resistance after that, right up there around the $3.90 mark. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce today. Now going into next week, it's definitely just a question of can the price build upon this momentum? Can the price build upon the bounce? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.